Most AI video generators are expensive, but what if I told you that you can legally use AI models like Grok, VEO 3.1, and Seedance completely free? In this video, I'll show you a website where you can generate videos using all these powerful AI models for free. So let's get straight into it. This is the website where you can use these AI video generators for free. But before I show you how to access it, let me quickly explain how it works. Once you're on the website, tap on Use Advanced Editor, and yes, you can start using it immediately without registering. From here, you can generate videos using VEO 3.1. I'll also show you how to use Grok and Seedance in a moment. First, let me generate a video so you can see how good it is. Tap on the Filter option. Choose your aspect ratio. Then select the VEO 3.1 model. Now paste your prompt and hit Generate. And just like that, the video is ready. Let's watch it.
Every age leaves something behind. This place, it's changing. Maybe the future remembers us too.
What happens next?
Wow, this actually looks insanely good. You can download the video directly from here. Now, let me show you how to use Seedance and Grok. Tap on All Video Generators. Here you'll find both Seedance and Grok. To use Seedance, tap on See More, then generate your video from here. Similarly, go back to All Video Generators, select Grok, and generate your video the same way. Right now, the image to video feature isn't working yet, but it should be updated soon. Now, to use this website, visit the first link in the description. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And also, check out this other method to use Grok AI for free.